Hey everyone, want to learn how to use Mega on Windows? In this video, I'll show you how to use Mega step by step on your Windows computer. Yeah, whether you want to store files, sync folders, or access your cloud storage, this guide will help you get started. First, install and open the Mega Desktop app on your Windows computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download the app and sign in using your Mega account. After signing in, you'll see the Mega interface where you can manage your cloud files. The desktop app makes it easy to access your online storage directly from your computer. Next, choose the folders you want to sync with Mega. Open the sync settings and select a folder on your computer that you want to keep connected with your Mega cloud storage. To upload files, open your Mega folder in File Explorer and drag your files into the folder. Mega will automatically upload and sync them with your cloud account. You can also access your files directly from the Mega app or your web browser. This makes it simple to view, download, and manage your files from different devices. To download files, open your Mega Cloud folder, select the file you need, and save it to your preferred location on your computer. If you want to share files, right-click a file or folder and choose the sharing option. You can create a link or invite specific people to access your content. You can manage your storage, check transfer activity, and change settings from the Mega application preferences, so customizing these options helps Mega work better for your needs. If Mega is not syncing correctly, check your internet connection, available storage space, and sync settings to fix common issues. And that's how you use Mega on Windows. With the Mega app, you can easily store, sync, share, and manage your files from your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.